Hi everyone, everywhere. Welcome to my channel. In this DIY tutorial, I'm going to show you how I made these navy marine flip-flops. They're really pretty and I used a new element, which are Swarovski crystal pearls. I hadn't really ever tried them before and I love them. I think they are so pretty. They give a nice iridescent, like kind of color to whatever you're adding them to. And I used a hot fix tool. The last time I used a hot fix tool in a tutorial, it was horrible. So this time I'm a little bit better. I'm still learning the tool. If you like how this looks, stay tuned and I'll show you what I used. For this project, I used a pair of Old Navy flip-flops and a hot fix tool. I also used a pack of Swarovski crystals that I got on sale at Michael's. They were originally $10, but I got them for around $4. I like these packs because they have different styles, and if you don't use them all for one project, you can save them for a different project. So the next part of this is really simple. All we're going to be doing is placing the pearls onto the flip-flop, just like I have here. And then I'm taking the hot tool and I've chosen the 16SS tip, and I'm going to fit that over the pearl and make sure that it's secure. And I'm going to hold it for about 10 seconds just to make sure that it's on here. Lift it off and there it is. So I'm going to go around the entire flip-flop and show you what that looks like. Also, really quickly, I just wanted to show you what the tip looks like. So when you purchase the hot fix tool, it'll come with different tips that you can screw in and out of the actual tool. And on the tool, it'll tell you exactly what it says. So hopefully you can read that. That says 4mm and 16SS right on the tip, and that's how you know what size to use. This is what the strap of the flip-flop looks like now that the pearls have been added. This is the one that got burned in the video. I left that in there because I wanted you to see what happens if you leave the tool on for too long. I'm still learning, and this is plastic, so that wasn't on purpose. It was definitely a mistake. I don't think it looks super horrible, but just keep in mind that when you're adding these pearls or crystals, that you do need to be mindful that you're working with a very hot tool and it can obviously melt the plastic. I'm gonna finish this up and show you the final result. As a reminder, this is the plain unfinished flip-flop and what it looks like. This is the final result. I like how this turned out. I'm still learning the Hot Fix tool, as I mentioned, and I also wanted to point out that I added one more pearl in the center because I had one left. I like this. I think this is a really cute look, and I think it's a really easy way to dress up your flip-flops. So I highly recommend it. I hope you make it, and I also hope you have a great week. See you next time.